People, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. If you're new to this channel, or if it's your first time of coming across this face, hi, I'm Oma Click. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a kind of vlog, and sit back, relax, and enjoy this vlog. Okay. So happy Sunday to all of you, and remain blessed. Like I said, today's video is a kind of vlog. As usual, I'm prepared for church, okay? And I don't really know how my day is gonna be, but I guess I have a movie date from my date as usual. You're going to see my dates on my next clip, okay? So sit back, relax, and enjoy this vlog. And by the way, stand up from that place, let's go to church, okay? All right, stand up, let's go to church because I'm prepared right now. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this vlog. All right, I don't even know if I can be able to carry you guys along because this is the raining season. I can't film during raining season, okay? But I'll try, Sha, and make it lively. Hey people, hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Previous clip you watched was me yesterday texturizing my hair. Like, I relaxed my hair again. So this is my hair. Yesterday's night I cornrowed it. This is actually my first time of doing this, but let's see how it is on me. Like so I want to install a wig. I have a wig already. I'm going to install that with you guys. I also thought that I'll go for a movie date. That should be on a Sunday. That was the first clip you saw on this video, right? But it rained so heavily and we didn't make it again. My date didn't call me back again after the whole planning and all stuff. Okay, so over here is my wig. So this is my wig. Let's see how it is. This or this? Let's see how it goes. I like putting on or installing wigs on my hair. Like, I'm not comfortable doing that. I prefer braiding my hair to wearing wigs. It's due to the cold weather. It has been raining since last night. This wig can help me feel hot a little bit. The hotness from this wig can keep me all day, okay? So first of all, I have to, flatten this cornrow so it's not be coming out under, right? I hope my braiding is good. I want to know in the comment section if I tried, because this is actually my first time of braiding my hair by myself. Since I started making hair, I've never braided a hair by myself. I've never done that. I will try to be doing that often so I can improve. When I start this, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, it's time to review ourselves. Let's go. So how do I look, guys? I want to know in the comment section how I look on this wig. Let's rock it on this weather. This is the perfect time to rock your wig. How do you rock your own? I want to get a thumbnail, and I don't know if I can be able to carry you guys along how my day is going. All right, if I can remember that I'm filming as well. So see you. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is like 5,000 years ago after the previous clip, right? And I want to close this vlog here. Forgive my looks. I decided to lose this braid, the previous one you saw, right? and I want to braid another one. I want to try this one on camera, right? The last one I did it out of the camera. I lose this one. It's many this one, so can you see how the thing is? So I've lost it and I want to braid another one. So I have to divide this into three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, first of all, make like braid the hair for some time before I have to go in. So this is it. I'll braid it small a little bit before I have to go in. Then I'll unpick little by little, right? Am I getting it? So I'm losing these parts and I want to first of all go in with comb and comb it out before I have to braid it back again. I've already braided this now. This is how this one is. Okay, so I want to braid this part. I will always go in with comb, right? Then I'll unpick little by little. It's time to review ourselves. Ooh. Hello guys. So I always love to go side parting. So this is me. Okay, so this is the wig and I installed it with all of you. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel up to this moment, please, darling, lovies, sweeties, subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment on the comment section. Okay, thank you and see you all in my next video. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Bye.